Upgrade your workshop with precision, power, and smooth finishing tools designed for serious woodworking and daily projects. Best wood planers help you achieve perfect thickness, cleaner cuts, and professional results faster, saving time and material every single build, every session. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT DW735X Wood Planer. The DEWALT DW735X Wood Planer is widely regarded as one of the most reliable benchtop planers for both serious hobbyists and professional woodworkers. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor and operating at 20,000 revolutions per minute, this planer easily handles hardwoods and wide boards without slowing down. Its 3-knife cutter head system delivers up to 30% longer knife life, while also making blade changes faster and more convenient. One of its standout features is the 2-speed gearbox, which allows users to switch between 96 and 179 cuts per inch, providing flexibility for rough stock removal or fine finishing. The fan-assisted chip ejection system efficiently clears debris from the cutter head, keeping the workspace cleaner and improving cutting consistency. The rigid cast aluminum base, paired with folding-in feed and outfeed tables, enhances stability and reduces vibration during operation. An automatic carriage lock minimizes movement that causes snipe, helping ensure smoother board ends without manual adjustment. Number 2. JET 13-inch Wood Planer. The JET 13-inch Wood Planer is designed for woodworkers who prioritize precision, quiet operation, and long-term durability. Featuring a helical-style cutter head with 6 rows of 26 individual inserts, this planer delivers exceptionally smooth finishes while significantly reducing noise and vibration. Each insert is quick-change and double-sided, making maintenance easier and extending overall cutting life. The precision-machined cast iron bed provides excellent support, keeping boards flat throughout the planing process and minimizing snipe. Its 4-post design ensures maximum stability and consistent cutter head alignment, even when handling thicker or heavier materials. Powered by a 2-horsepower, 15-amp motor running at 10,000 revolutions per minute, the planer offers strong cutting performance for both softwoods and hardwoods. Adjustable folding-in feed and outfeed tables improve stock control while saving valuable shop space when stored. With a maximum depth of cut of 1/8 inch and a width capacity of 13 inches, this machine is versatile enough for most workshop needs. Number 3. Bosch PL2632K Wood Planer. The Bosch PL2632K Wood Planer is a compact and versatile handheld planer built for portability and precision. Equipped with a 6.5-amp motor producing up to 16,500 revolutions per minute, it delivers fast stock removal while maintaining a smooth surface finish. This planer is ideal for trimming doors, leveling edges, and fine woodworking tasks that require mobility and control. Its dual-mount guide fence can be attached to either side, ensuring consistent planing across the entire workpiece. The ambidextrous lock-off release button enhances safety by preventing accidental startups, while the lock-on feature supports extended operation. Precision-machined aluminum front and rear shoes are factory-aligned for maximum accuracy, helping maintain even depth throughout the cut. The ratcheting depth adjustment knob allows users to set increments up to 2.6 millimeters within one full rotation, eliminating the need for constant recalibration. An adjustable ejection system lets shavings be directed to either side, improving visibility and workspace management. Number 4. 1PL1303 Wood Planer. The 1PL1303 Wood Planer is a budget-friendly benchtop solution that delivers impressive performance for its price range. Powered by a 15-amp motor generating up to 30,000 cuts per minute, this planer is capable of handling most home workshop tasks with ease. It supports boards up to 13 inches wide and 6 inches thick, making it suitable for furniture building, cabinet work, and general woodworking projects. The planer includes 3 reversible 13-inch SK5 blades, which provide reliable cutting performance and extended service life. Depth adjustment is simple and precise, allowing users to remove up to 1/8 inch per pass depending on material hardness. The stable base and well-aligned in-feed and outfeed tables help maintain smooth material flow and minimize snipe. Its compact design makes it easy to store in smaller workshops while still offering sufficient capacity for larger boards. The PL1303 is also relatively easy to set up, making it a good choice for beginners. Number 5. CRAFTSMAN CMEW 320 Wood Planer. The CRAFTSMAN CMEW 320 Wood Planer is built to provide dependable performance for everyday woodworking applications. Powered by a strong 15-amp motor, it delivers enough cutting force to handle both hard and softwood materials efficiently. The Poly-V cutterhead drive system ensures maximum stock removal while maintaining smooth and stable operation. Its 2-knife solid steel cutterhead is mounted on precision ball bearings, reducing vibration and promoting long service life. The high-carbon steel knives are double-edged and reversible, offering extended cutting life and easy replacement when needed. This design helps maintain consistent cutting quality over time without frequent blade changes. The planer's balanced construction improves control and reduces operational noise, making it comfortable for extended use. It is well suited for dimensioning lumber, smoothing rough boards, and preparing materials for joinery or finishing. Setup and maintenance are straightforward, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.